Assalamu alaikum everyone, and what's going on, depressed society? We're back into Pepe, and we're down again. We had a conversation yesterday about a retest, and yeah, it does look like Pepe had a retest, and yeah, it didn't even touch the whole trend line. We just started dropping suddenly to the downside. Now, one thing I want to say is that I have a Bitcoin update. You might check that out, and I think 73 to 72K is where Bitcoin could actually bottom out, and whatever the price of Pepe at that point is going to be, I think it could be a good idea to kind of get into Pepe again in the future. Now we are on a technical journey, unfortunately, to go down to 451 or 390, between this range over here, 450 and 390. That's where Pepe might actually fall down to, and we might have a very big special buying opportunity right over there. But as I said before, that if we take the Fib retracement, it does look like the golden ratio is the most accurate place where Pepe can bottom out. And if you take the Fib retracement, that's going to be from the bottom here to the top right there, and that's going to be nearly 327 or 330, something like that. So this is where you will probably have the bottom right over here. It does make a lot of sense that if you're looking to really drop down and take 400 out, you can actually even touch 327 a little bit and try to go back up again, and from here you could actually continue to make new all-time high somewhere down the road in 2025. So it's a long journey, but this happens in cryptos even in a bull run. People think that the fact that you're doing this is a bear market or it's the end of the bull run. Well, there's a lot of conditions when it comes to, say, the end of a bull run, right? Which has not happened just yet. It's not the end of a bull run. Yes, altcoin never really pumped up. Pepe did well. Pepe had a bull run. And we saw Pepe moving up like this, okay? So Pepe did amazing. It's just that other coins did not do as good as Pepe did, but Pepe actually did good if you go by the history of how Bitcoin moved up and how much Pepe moved up. I think from the bears we saw 2,947 price increase. We saw a 29x move to the upside. That's still an incredible bull run for Pepe. No other altcoin was ever to do so, right? So in my opinion, if you are still coming down here, you're still in an uptrend, right? Zoom out, you'll understand that this is still an uptrend going on. Perhaps for some reason, I don't know if this is a trend line going on in here. I'm just going to take the candles and start the line over there. But yes, it does look like we have a very, very long trend line coming up here on the MACD chart, and that can actually be down to nearly 387. So it's going to be a very, very big place to buy again. You can see if it comes down here, that's a very big area to start buying all over again. And I think the harder you dump, right, the bigger the dump is, the bigger the pumps are actually going to be as well. Keep that theory in mind. And let's jump into the smaller time frame and check what is going on with the smaller time frame at the moment. Right here it is, and on the 15 minutes time frame, at least you have maybe a scalping opportunity for a bear flag here. So if I do zoom out just a little bit, you shifted down, you made the move down again, and you moved sideways like this, making that flag. And I think you're looking for, maybe today this can happen, that you move to 625 in the next 24 hours. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love you.